Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen?
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, I'll be working with Reshine. Once again, they sent me a pre-plucked, pre-cut lace closure wig unit in 28 inches, 180 density, and it is in the texture body wave. This is just a texture shot. I just decided to keep the hair in its natural body wave state, and I just added some crimps to it for, you know, that extra uniform look. And so far so good. The hair is really nice and soft after using holding spray on it, and this is the 𝐿𝐴 working spray number 14. The hair still feels soft, it looks soft on camera, and you could tell it's just not crunchy. So I love that. I love that, you know, even though I put product on almost every section of the hair that I crimped, it wasn't really like giving stiff, period. So if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install, just keep on watching, and the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this gorgeous wig, which is super affordable, by the way. So let's jump into my glueless install tutorial with this Reshine wig.
Sugar babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of 𝐿𝐴𝐿𝐿. Brown sugar babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo, hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only 'cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Do not rock with the working. Cause you know I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna, yeah. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Hairline, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the ground, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around 'cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down.
All I could do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up to.
Alright you guys, so I am finished and this is the final look. This gorgeous wig is from Reshine Hair. They sent me this super long 28-inch 180 density lace closure wig unit. It was their pre-plucked, pre-cut lace closure wig unit, and if I'm not mistaken, this is like 5 inches by 5 inches, and yeah, it's probably a 5 by 5 if I'm not mistaken. This lace is so thin, perfect. The whole pre-plucked portion of this wig is chef's kiss. You literally do not have to do anything, so it's super glueless, super beginner friendly, and that is something that I highly encourage. Glueless units are the way, because literally that is how I grew my big chop out, and girl, like, we are flourishing over here. You don't need to do anything to mess up your edges or your hairline. I still have a decent hairline. Like, this is perfect, especially for beginners, and especially if you're just the type to just grab and go and you just want a wig like that. This wig from Reshine Hair is the one for you. It is 180 density, but it is very full, honey. And then these crimps are also creating a more voluminous illusion, which is something I love. I love doing crimps on body wave hair, and I've never done crimps on a Reshine wig. Like, as of late, I've always been doing like curly textures and stuff, so I just decided, you know, why not? This is super cute, so get into it. The hair is nice and soft. I'm not experiencing any excessive tangling or shedding, so that is perfect. It is a bang for your buck. This wig is less than $250, so hop on it. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.